Hello all, we're here on the 4th day of March 2021. I have just got a whiteboard. Good brother Vince has decided to donate a whiteboard for the cause here. And I've just done a little bit of work in the background here, just as a little brief intro. Not finished yet, but just to show you where we're going to head here. As you can see, there's the Son, the Godhead, the logon. You got to log on to that website right there. And then on the other side, on this side, we've got the doggone, moon, doggone. Okay, and there's that ugly bullheaded looking dude there. And he's got the baby on the pitchfork, as you can see. As we go up a little bit, there he's got the baby on the pitchfork. And that's the father of lies, hate, guilt, fear, and subjection. That's the choice for slavery. And at the top here, I'm having trouble getting my pointer right. So at the top, we've got Deuteronomy 30:19, as we can see. I'm going to get a little thing else here for a pointer. It'd be better for me. So at the top, we got Deuteronomy 30:19. As you can see down here, we got death and cursing. And over here, we got life and blessing. Up there, we got light and the chosen. These are all the words that go on the side that Deuteronomy indicates, 30:19. I set before you life, death, blessing, and cursing. And so that's why I've got the two sides here. And now these scriptures are to indicate where the cursing came in. And you can see in Genesis 1:26 through 1:29, we were granted dominion. And oh, this thing's doing its own stuff with focus. That's with these modern cameras. At any rate, Genesis 1:26 was our blessing. And Genesis 7, 8, and 9 also were our blessing after Noah. Okay? Genesis 15, again, another blessing. And as you go through these scriptures, we were a chosen people. That's part of the chosen part up top here, right? There's chosen. And Exodus 19, 15 through 16 tells us that we were God's chosen people, a nation of priests. Exodus 23 through 5 is a set of rules for us, for our benefit. Ezra 7, 23 through 26 sets in place that we are ministers of his temple. We pay no taxes, adjudicate with his law, and pay it not. And we're small m ministers, as we see over here, which represents freedom. On this side, we've got the death and the cursing, the rejected and the dark. Chosen on one side, rejected on the other. And Genesis 3, 4, and 6 talk about the flood and talk about Cain killing Abel and getting rejected out of the garden, building Babylon, etc. And Hosea 4 and 6 said, because they rejected knowledge, they would die and they would be cursed. And that's the cursing. So I haven't put the rest of the scriptures down here, but I just thought I'd give you a preview as to what we're going to do with the whiteboard, because this is a flipping whiteboard. It's got hinges up on it over here on both sides, and it spins around. So I have to fill the other side now, and I guess I'll arrange something so I can have the camera a little bit closer. Maybe I can get better focus that way, and we can work on this so people have a view right in front of them. You know, there's life, the death, the blessing, the cursing. He stands for the truth, and of course the life and the freedom, and you are his ministers. And he is the Son, the Godhead, and the logon, opposite to the doggone. We don't want to be the doggone. Are connected with the moon. The moon sucks our energy, sucks our light. Whereas the Son gives us his energy, gives us his light. He is the way and the path. There's that big arrow right there. So we know which direction we're going here. Definitely don't want to have it sucked out of us, as in slavery. As we can see, that's all going to the doggone, the moon. You're cursed. If you're a doggone or a doggone, you're a moon doggy. and you're lost. You're into the darkness. You're off with those old Hebrews when they were prostituting themselves to, the night to Baal, the dark god. This is the son, Yahushua, and his father, Ahiah, Asher, Ahiah. I am that I am. So, I am that I am is the original. This is his son. All things were created, including this doggone over here, Lucifer. He was created through the God-chosen Godhead, Yahushua. This guy got created, but he wasn't looking like that when he got created. He was like one of these guys, real nice and loving and full of everything. But then he got jealous. This guy over here, he got jealous. And he said, no, I want to get everybody to follow me, and I'm going to make them give up following you. I'm going to bring everybody over to my side. I'll bring the world to sin. I'll make them greedy for stuff. I'll make them lust after material possession, lusts after women and sex. And I'll make them forget about the love down here, the love. I'll make them forget about the forgiveness. I'll make them forget about the comfort and the security. Instead, I'll give them hate, lies, guilt, fear, and subjection. So that's what we got going on here. And like there's a whole bunch of them. The person side over here with sin, we're going to have Deuteronomy 1:17, Deuteronomy 10:17. We're going to have 2 Samuel 14 and 14. And we're going to have Matthew 22:16. We're going to have Acts 10:34. We're going to have Romans 2:11. And down here we're going to have James 2:9. Finishing off that list of why we can't show respect to persons. Why that's the cursing, if you're showing respect to persons. And over here I'll have all the minister scriptures with reference to why you were chosen a minister, including John 15:16, where he chose us, he ordained us, and we are to go forth and bear the good works. I'll probably have in there Acts 10:29. I think we should obey God rather than man. That would be on the blessing side of the fence. And so on and so forth. You know, John 8:44 will be on the cursing side. So I'm going to try and connect the scriptures from the blessing to the cursing so we can see how our life has been intermingled. We got both choices, and indeed some of the choices we've made in life were a blessing. A good portion of them were with the cursing, tied up with the dead Babylonian god and subjecting ourselves. So when we're talking about emancipation, this is the roadway over here. This is the roadway to emancipation and freedom in life. There is no other path. I'm so bold to say that when you have a religious fraud run by the guys that follow this guy over here, taking advantage of people and sucking their blood and having them listed as beneficially owned property, this is what Christ was all about. He came to free us. Freedom. That's what that's about. And we get a chance once you say, I've decided to take up Christ. Well, no man can come along and say, no, you got to worship this other guy over here because we said so. It's almost funny. So I thought I'd just give you this little preview here. I will definitely go into more depth later on. But for now, that was just a little intro. And thank you so much, Brother Vince, for donating the board. Really appreciated that and the markers. We look forward to getting a lot of use out of it. God bless. Bye for now.